Hey guys, I got something a little bit different today. I've got one of these ABIS 75IB50s. It's a dimple lock. It's a little bit different. It's basically the same as a pin tumbler, except for they're kind of sideways. They're very tight little keyways. And it's a fun little lock, but man, has it been giving me trouble. I got into it for the first time yesterday, and just absolutely astonished that I finally got into it. And see if we can do it again for you here. This thing's been in my naughty bucket for, I don't know, 3 months now. Just got a new set of dimple picks about 2 days ago, and using one of these little left flags, I think they are. And it's about the only way I've been able to get into it, so I'm hoping I can do it again for you. Starting all the way in the back and working our way forward here. These things are filled with spools. That's about all that's in them. And they are extremely sharp edges. It's like that. I have to release some tension in order to get it to set, or it doesn't set. You can't just loosen the tension, you actually have to back it off. And you gotta hop right back on it to keep from dropping something else. So I think we've got the back 3 set now. I hope that one's up there. Feels like they're up. So you just work your way forward and just hope for the best. Find something that's binding. Keep tension on it. There we go. Get underneath it, lift it as high as you can get it. Release the tension completely, and it's not going to go up there, so you actually need to back off some tension, just a hair. See how far we are now. And the only way I could figure this out to keep from dropping something else in the back, I had to get underneath the front one with a different pick. Nope, we must have overset something, or we didn't get something high enough. Either way, this is what I ran into all the time. I'd get all the way out to the front, think, hey, I'm on the last one, and I wouldn't be there. Everything feels like it's up all the way, but clearly something isn't. There's some extremely high cuts in the back here, hidden behind some very, very low cuts in the front. I mean, every one of them, all I can do is recock and start over. Something's overset. It's the problem with these spools. So let's get under 6, back off a hair until we feel it moving. And then get right back on it. There we go. And you'll get a nice false set like that. I mean, you can sit in it for days. But as soon as you feel something click, you gotta get right back on that tension. Especially with these low cut ones, they are, if you're not right back on that tension, it's gonna overset. And you're gonna have to start all over again. There we go. This time we've got it. We've got so much tension out front. I know that feeling. This one has to be it. Come on. Go home. There it is. And we got it open finally. Oh, I wish I could gut it for you and see what's actually in here. Because I know they're all spools, but I'd love to see what else. This is a proud moment for me, being 3 months in the naughty bucket. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a comment and a like and subscribe, and we'll get some more videos out to you soon. Thanks.